Hi, welcome to Delta Scientific's Helpful Quick Tips. I'm Keith Bobrovsky. Today I'm going to be showing you very briefly how to operate a vehicle barrier with one of our patented hydraulic power units without electrical power, using the stored accumulator pressure that we have built into our units. First things first, make sure you have safety goggles. You can do this with a very simple hand tool such as an Allen key or the blunt end of a Phillips screwdriver. Just don't use an awl or any sharp point that might damage the hydraulic components. You're going to first open up the HPU, locate the directional control valve, which is typically this blue valve here. On wedge barriers, when you depress the left side, the barrier is going to rise. On beam barriers, for example, it's going to be the reverse. So this wedge barrier here, model HD200, we're going to go ahead and depress this detente, very small pin on the side of the directional control valve with the blunt end. And you're going to hear the electric motor not turning on, but the wedge barrier rising in a nice rapid fashion with that stored pressure. We're going to go ahead and lower the barrier, make sure everything is clear, and depress the other side of the directional control valve, and the barrier is going to lower as such. If you run out of stored accumulator pressure, which is usually 2 to 3 cycles depending on how the system is specified, you can use our prop rods to safely prop the barrier open in the fully road closed position and ask for Delta Scientific to come out and complete repairs that are needed. Thanks, and join us on the next one.